Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can copy a crosshair on Valorant, like how you can copy someone's crosshair when you're in game with them. Actually pretty easy. I have to join a game for this first. So yeah, I just gotta wait for someone to pick. There we go. So, okay, let's see, where's Cypher? First off, I don't think I can see Crosshair if I'm using 2D. No, there you go. Press enter on your keyboard, /cc. And as you can see, Crosshair has been copied to my profile. So if I just go to Crosshair, it will be there. It'll show the date and also the time, which I think is pretty cool. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!